All right, so I want to show you how you can rearrange the pieces of your recording. So let's say that I recorded this and I'm like, this part in the middle should really go at the beginning. I can easily do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new track. I'm going to add a new stereo track. And then I'm going to take my first part here and I'm going to determine the parts that I want to move. So let's say that I have this part in the middle that really should go at the beginning. So I'm going to highlight it, right click, and say split clip. All right, so now I have 3 separate clips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange them on this track below. So I'm going to right click on it and copy. Now I'm going to click here until I see a line and paste, and I'm not worried about that space at the beginning. I can clean that up in a minute. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. And then let's say I still want the end to be at the end. So I'm going to select this whole clip. I'm going to right click. I'm going to try to at least. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it here. Paste is not going to work unless you see that line, so just make sure you have that. Okay, now let's say I'm going to go ahead and move them, get them back together the way that I want them end to end. So now let's say I'm pretty sure that I have this the way I want it. I kind of overran the beginning there. I'm pretty sure I have it the way I want it, but I'm not 100% sure. So what I want to do now is I want to listen to this track and make sure that it's right before I get rid of my original. So I'm going to mute this first track, and then I can press play and just hear my new mixed up track and make sure it's right. Okay. Once I'm sure I have it the way I want it, I can just delete this first one. Okay. Or you can leave it there just muted, and then you'll be all set.